year 2024-2025 who have learned and grown for the 10 months kindergarten program for Ganan Ayan Age. He is Batang Magalang, Prudent Worker, Matapat Award, and Fiscal Foundation. Bantulo Catriona Jean E. Catriona is a determined kid, friendly neighbor, and a recipient of the Character Award. Congratulations.
Superintendent Janet Giveloso, vocal and kindergarten and PSDS, Ernie L. Cas, PHU, school principal, Susan T. Flores, parents, teachers, and our adorable kindergarten pupils. Good morning. It is indeed a proud snacks. Awon dili kami gutuman. Salamat sa pagtaas sa pasensya, sa pagsabot sa among kabuhayan. Maliban na yun sa inyong salita.
And with tears of joy of my eyes, I want to thank 2024-2025. All teachers, staff, parents, grandparents,
Natin na kahit magkita, mas mabita sobra. As we bid farewell to our dreams, we are the proud future.
Baba, pati yung mga yula, no? Nga maupin tayo ibihap sa inyong mama o papa, nga maupin naghapog kadaad na patindog. Wala siguro siya kadaad. Biyaan. Mas may. So,